This is how to receive USDC in crypto.com.
Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Start building passive income skills. Click the link down below.
Open up crypto.com, go to the bottom left hand screen, click on home. Once here, scroll up, locate the option USD coin. If you don't have this, go to the top right. You should see the magnifying glass icon. Type in USDC. Click right here, USDC coin underneath crypto. Simply put, if you want to successfully receive this free USDC coin in crypto.com, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see the analysis of this cryptocurrency. You can access the balance, and to receive it, you want to click right here where it says deposit. Click here in the middle hand screen to select the network of your choice. Click on done or okay. You should see the wallet address right here on the right hand screen. If you click the two folder icons, your wallet address has been copied, and then